You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to say Olympic Games in French. How do you pronounce these phrases? The Olympics are taking place in Paris, just right now. Jeux Olympiques. Jeux. So this is the plural, so it's got an X, which is normally silent. So you'd say je, even if it's plural with an X, je. But because it's got an X at the end and then it's followed by a word that starts with a vowel, you make what we call a liaison, which is linking up the two words, and then there's X here, becomes a Z sound. It would be the same if it was an S, okay? Jeux Olympiques. The S at Olympique is silent. Jeux Olympiques. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.